Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, circuit versus microcontrollers. These two things are part of our daily lives, even if we don't notice them. They are inside our phones, our lamps, our toys, and even in our refrigerators. But what are they? And how are they different? Let's find out. First, let's start with circuits. A circuit is basically a path where electricity flows. It allows current to move through components like wires, resistors, and LEDs. You can think of it as a small road for electricity to travel. For example, when you turn on a light which a switch, that's a simple circuit working. The battery gives the power, the wire carries the current, and the bulb lights up. Circuits are simple, easy to build, and perfect for learning the basics of electronics. Now, let's talk about microcontrollers. A microcontroller is like a tiny computer. It has a processor, memory, and input-output port. It doesn't just let electricity flow, it controls how devices work through programmed instructions. For instance, when an automatic door opens when someone walks by, that's a microcontroller in action. It takes information from a sensor, processes, and then tells the door to move. Amazing, right? So, what are the similarities between circuits and microcontrollers? Well, both are used in electronic devices. They help things work automatically and make our lives easier. In the same way, both need electricity to function. They are connected, useful, and essential in modern technology. However, there are also some important differences. Circuits are simple, while microcontrollers are more complex. Circuits work only when electricity flows, but microcontrollers need to code up to operate. On the other hand, circuits don't think or make decisions, they just let current pass. Microcontroller instead can analyze data and respond intelligently. For example, a light circuit can only turn on or off, but microcontroller can make the light turn on automatically when it's dark and turn off when it's bright again. Another difference is their use. Circuits are often used for basic things like lights, alarms, or fans. Microcontrollers, on the other hand, are used in machines, robots, and home appliances. They make technology smarter and more efficient. Let's imagine a simple comparison. If a circuit is like a person who follows a single rule, when the button is pressed, turn on the light, then a microcontroller is like a person who can follow many instructions. If it's dark and someone enters the room, turn on the light, but if it's daytime, keep it off. That's what makes microcontrollers so powerful and important in automation today. To sum up, both circuits and microcontrollers are essentials in the world of electronics. Circuits are the foundation. They teach us how electricity flows. Microcontrollers are the next steps. They bring the intelligence and control. Without circuits, nothing would start. Without microcontrollers, nothing would be smart. So next time you see a robot, an automatic fan, or even a digital watch, remember that both circuits and microcontrollers are working together behind the essence to make it possible. They are different, but together they build the amazing technology we use every day. Thank you for listening.